beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
Na Biafra Masquerade.
Thank you very much for watching. This is how I end my work day. Okay? Celebrating. Our celebration have started. And we continue to celebrate. Irrespective of what is going on, we will celebrate, because Biafra has come. Biafra has come, and there is nobody born of a woman will stop Biafra. Nobody. Anybody that say Biafra will not come, his head will go for it, for Biafra to come. Because our freedom is bigger. Bigger than anything. We have seen the impunity of the Nigerian government, sponsored, controlled by terrorists, Fulani, and Caliphate. We have seen how Nigeria has murdered prominent men. These murderous people who don't value human life, we don't want to be part of them again. Those who are amending electoral laws are wasting their time. There is no amount of electoral law amendment that will stop or even shake Biafra agitation and will stop or even interfere in Biafra restoration. We are going to do everything humanly possible, not just to restore Biafra, but to defend our land against the killers that we have now in Biafra land. Remember, I told you people, they are going to leave Biafra land in shame. Go and ask them, how is it going? Go and ask them, how are they enjoying the whatever Operation Dawn? And let me tell you, if any Biafra loses his life, if any Igbo man in Biafra land, especially in the southeast, and you are a military man, if you kill anybody in Biafra land, you will not see the end of the 3 months. That 3 months of this killing and maiming and carnage that the politicians have declared in our land, you cannot see the end. And then also the same thing goes to the politicians who are now importing, according to them, importing the killers to our land to kill our young men, our women, our children, vulnerable people. You can never go unpunished. We will hunt you when the time comes. We will use every mechanism to hunt you. We will hunt you with the ICC. We will hunt you with every international legal instrument available to us. We will hunt you, and you will go down for it. So I think that it is a jamboree. This is not 2016. This is not 2017. This is not 2015. We have come to show you that the new generation of this Biafra will give you a very big sleepless night. You can never sleep henceforth. We will give you sleepless night. That sleepless night you have given to our parent in the 60s, it is time for a payback. My Biafra people, be strong. Be strong, because we will win, and we are already winning. If you doubt me, go and ask them. Go and ask them. Nnamdi Kanu will be released. unconditionally. The demand is that Nnamdi Kanu must be released unconditionally. Unconditionally. He has committed no crime. There are terrorists everywhere in Nigeria, in the northern Nigeria, including in the government. We are going to tell them that holding Nnamdi Kanu will escalate not just the Biafra struggle, but will escalate everything that is happening in Nigeria. The capture, the abduction, the extraordinary rendition of Nnamdi Kanu will escalate everything. And the only solution, first of all, the only solution is that he is released unconditionally. But if you say you want to continue to hold Nnamdi Kanu unjustly, then I want you people will see how it will end. This is not 1967, neither is this 2015. My people, we are in 2021. I want you to take example of what is happening in Afghanistan. The United Nations, America, with everything they did, they have no choice. No choice. My people, they have no choice than to begin to recognize the government of Taliban. They have no choice. World have changed. My people, the world have changed. We are not a terrorist group. We are fighting for freedom to be able to fight terrorism in Africa. The only country that will fight terrorism will be the country that will come out of Nigeria. Biafra will fight terrorism. Oduduwa will fight terrorism. The Middle Belt will fight terrorism. And that is the only way to end terrorism in Africa. So my people, if we do not take this power, take this freedom by force, we will have ourselves to blame. And by that force, we are going to take it by force. If we do not take it by force, we will have ourselves to blame. We will have ourselves to blame. Because we have seen how the Taliban are now being recognized by different governments. And remember that the Nigerian government of today will come to table and sit down shoulder to shoulder with Taliban during the Islamic State Organization or Corporation. Their meeting, their annual meeting, Nigeria will sit with Taliban in the same table. And don't remember the one I exposed yesterday for standing with the man in Aso Rock. So we are no longer looking face. It is time to take this freedom by force. And it is a call to those soldiers serving in Nigeria Army from the southern Nigeria. My brother, if your family member, this is a warning, if your family member is still serving in Nigeria Army and is one of those who have been deployed to the southeast or to the southern Nigeria to kill people, my brother, they have set him up. It's a setup. They want to use him for sacrifice because if they shoot anybody, if you shoot one, 10 will go down. If you kill one Biafra, 10 will go down. We will not stop until 10 people go, 10 soldiers will go down. We are going to defend the killing is too much. The killing is too much. And the killing is coming from the soldiers, going from village to village to burn the property that nobody did anything to them. So, if you kill anybody in Biafra land, you all will go down. Thank you very much. We are going to continue in the evening. Don't miss our broadcast in the evening. Very, very important. Thank you for watching. See you in the evening.
Now they will know how stubborn Biafra is. Can you imagine this? Hey, hey. DSS, they should get ready because a lot is coming on their way. They are going to have a lot of surprises. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Hope you do enjoy this update. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For now, bye.